Welcome back everyone. Today I'll be unboxing and doing a typing test of the Groove TSF by mStone, which is a company from Korea. This unit was gifted to me at no cost. However, as usual, all thoughts and opinions are my own. The letters SF in the name stands for silent force, which alludes to the two noise absorbent layers, which are basically equivalent to case and plate foam. Unfortunately, mStone products aren't really purchasable in North America, but I'll definitely update with some links if they become available. That being said, if this board is something you'd be interested in, please leave a comment so I can relay the message to our friends over at mStone. The unit I received is in the TKL format, also in the Clarion, which is the lighter color scheme. And in true Korean fashion, the keyboard comes with a dust cover, as well as the Hangul sub-legend keycap. Overall, the build quality is really solid, especially considering that it's a plastic case. It has a two-step adjustable feet, and a nice matte finish on the white plastic case. The slit for the cable is quite narrow, so unfortunately I was not able to use this keyboard with my custom cables with TechFlex sleevings on them. But thankfully they include a simple non-sleeve cable in case you don't have a USB-C cable lying around the house. And I saved the best part for last. You actually have the option to purchase your Groove T with a set of switches that are fully lubricated from the factory. And this unit had the Cherry MX Reds. And if I understand correctly, these are actually manually brush lubed at the time of manufacturing. And as you see here, the switches are south facing, so you don't experience any interference with Cherry profile keycaps. I do want to note that the PCB is not hot swap, but the board comes fully soldered with LEDs also. And same as the switches, the stabilizers are also fully lubed, and I was pleasantly surprised to see them not completely drowning in lube, and they were actually very well tuned. Okay, now here is the part you guys actually came here for, the sound test.